If you have strawberries at home, you need to try this. This quick strawberry compote and confit recipe takes only 10 minutes and tastes amazing on cakes, pancakes and desserts. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Tasteworthy. This strawberry compote recipe just needed no fancy ingredients, just fresh flavor and beautiful color. So first let's start making strawberry compote. Here I am sharing the strawberry compote details, what will be the texture and where you can use it. Let's start making it. First, in a pan add fresh strawberries. You can also use frozen. Add 2-3 tablespoons of sugar. You can adjust it according to your taste. 1 teaspoon lemon juice and 2-3 tablespoons of water. Cook on medium heat while stirring occasionally. The strawberries will start releasing their own juices and become soft. While stirring, mash slightly if you want a smoother texture. Just remember it thickens more after cooling, so don't overcook. Now mix 1 teaspoon of corn flour with 1 tablespoon of water and make a slurry. Add this slurry to the strawberry paste and also cook it for 1 to 2 minutes. Look at the texture of this fresh strawberry compote. Perfect and delicious. Store it in fridge for up to 1 week. Now if you want that thick glossy strawberry filling you see in bakery cakes, let's start making the perfect strawberry confit at home. This is rich in flavor, beautiful color and perfect for cake filling and desserts. Add strawberries, sugar and lemon juice in a saucepan and cook on low-medium heat. Keep stirring it while cooking as we have not added any water to it. Strawberries will release its own juice. While cooking, slightly cut down the strawberries with the spatula. You can see it's almost cooked. And slightly mash it. Easily see the difference between the confit and the compote. The texture of the compote is more liquidy. And you can easily see the fruits in this confit. Now add 1 teaspoon of corn flour and 1 tablespoon of water. And make a slurry and also transfer it to the pan. Cook it for another 1-2 minutes. The texture of this confit is thick, smooth and perfect for professional cake fillings. Use it for cakes, cupcakes, tarts, mousse, desserts, donuts and dessert jars. You can store it in airtight container in the fridge for up to 7 to 10 days. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more baking recipes.